lots of things can be found from our box plots. So we're just going to go through and find some of these different questions and see what we can figure out. So first question asks us, this is a box whisker plot that represents some data, and what's the range of the data? Well, remember the range is the very top minus the very bottom, right? It's how far spread out are they. And so it looks like this bottom number here is 89, and it looks like this top number is 99. So how far is it from 89 to 99? Hopefully you don't have to do the math to figure that out. The range is 10. So this asks what percentage of the data is between 90 and 110. So let's find 90. So that's, it looks like these tick marks each equal 10. So 90 is right here and 110 is right here at our median. So we're looking at this piece right here. Now remember, each piece of our box plot is 25%. So this is 25%, 25%, 25%. So how much is equal to just this piece right here in between 90 and 110? Well, that would be 25% of our data falls in that little piece right there. So this is asking how much of our data falls between 25 and 45. So again, we find where 25 is on our box plot. There's 25, and it looks like 45 is right there. So we're looking at this piece again, and so let's see. Well, this is like piece number 1, piece number 2 is the purple, piece number 3 is the red, piece number 4. So each of these contains 25% of the data. So how much does the purple contain? Well, just 25% of the data. Now, what if I said how much of the data was greater than 25? So we can see this purple piece is just from 25 to 45, right? But what if I said how much of the data is greater than 25? Well, let's just see how much of our data is actually. So the purple piece is greater than 25, and so is the red. The red piece is also greater than 25, and the yellow piece is also greater than 25. And each of these pieces represents 25% of our data. So how much of our data is bigger than 25? Well, in that case, it would be 75% of our data. You know, and we could even ask the question, how much of our data is less than 80? Well, you would notice that all of our data is less than 80, so that's 100%. So again, you can just use this to interpret how much of your data falls in each distribution.